In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to use your custom board online in Monopoly Plus and whether or not it is possible to do this. If you go over to the Monopoly Plus store page on any platform, for this video I selected Xbox, and you browse through the expansion packs, you will be able to find My Monopoly. This expansion allows you to make your own Monopoly board and use it when you play with your friends. However, you might be wondering if there is any way to use the board that you made, the custom one, online, because when you finish making the board, you should only be presented with the option to play locally. As you can see, if we go over to the reviews of the expansion pack, a lot of people are complaining about this. You can't play with your board online. And sadly, that is true. This is the case. As of today, it is impossible to use any custom boards that you make online in Monopoly Plus. So you will have to play your custom boards only locally with your friends. As of today, it is impossible to use your custom boards online. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware that if you purchase the My Monopoly expansion pack for $10, you won't be able to use your custom boards online. We can only hope that Ubisoft addresses this issue and releases an update for the game that allows the usage of custom boards online, but as it stands today, you will only be able to play them locally. If this video cleared up any questions that you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.